10 days of battery, ECG, and stress tracking, all in a tiny 41mm package. Garmin's Venu 3S is blowing up with runners and cyclists, and it's not from Apple or Samsung. Want the hype? Let's unpack it. Hey fitness fam, the Garmin Venu 3S dropped late 2024 and it's trending hard. Wired and ex-fitness buffs can't stop raving. Today we're diving into why this pint-sized powerhouse is stealing the show. Let's roll. Meet the Venu 3S, Garmin's smaller sibling to the Venu 3, built for fitness first. It's 41mm, light at 40 grams with a crisp 1.2-inch AMO LED screen, perfect for smaller wrists. Wired's February 19, 2025 scoop says it's got ECG for heart rhythm checks, stress tracking to keep you chill, and a wild 10-day battery life. 5 with always-on display. Launched late last year, it's got runners and cyclists hooked with spot-on GPS, heart rate, and sleep stats. No ecosystem baggage like Apple or Samsung. Why is it trending? It's a no-nonsense fitness beast. $449 gets you Garmin's elevated V5 sensor, nailing heart rate and SpO2, plus 30+ sports modes. Ex-fitness communities love it. Simpler than Samsung, tougher than Apple Watch, they say. The 10-day juice crushes the competition. Charge it, forget it. It's not about flashy apps, it's built for folks who'd rather crush miles than scroll notifications. Subtle, stylish, and relentless. Downsides? No LTE or deep smartwatch tricks, but that's the point. It's fitness first, not a phone clone. Mid-2025, it's holding strong. Runners dig the slim fit. Cyclists praise the battery. Wired calls it Garmin's sweet spot. Is this your next tracker? Team Venu 3S or sticking with the big dogs? Drop your take in the comments.